In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use an image and another image to create a clipping mask. So in the first tutorial, part 1 that I showed you, we did the word ocean. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do a woman silhouette and to fill it with fire. So for your first thing you need to do is go ahead and create a new document. This one I just left as untitled, but you would go to File and New, and then choose, we're going to go over to Print. You can choose letter size is fine. Any way you want. For this one, I'm going to do portrait and click create. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. For this picture, I have a picture of a woman's silhouette. I need to select just the black and not the white. So I'm going to go ahead and use my quick selection tool right here and quickly select it. I'm going to go to my move tool, pick it up, and move it into my document. So now I should have just the woman. I'm going to make it larger by going to Edit, Transform, and Scale, and make her fill this page a little bit more. That's good. Enter. All right, and now I'm going to bring in the fire. So I'm going to go to this picture of the fire, and I'm going to go ahead and just click and drag it into my untitled document. I would like that to be larger as well, so I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. I'm going to make it fill maybe the top half of her with a fire. All right, hit enter, and now it looks a lot clearer. So I've got the fire over top of the woman, just like this. And if I right click on the flame, I can say create clipping mask, and it now fills that part of her with the fire. So again, you don't need to have just text to do a clipping mask. It can be done with any shape. It can be done with any of the shapes that you create in Photoshop, or it can be done with shapes that you find. All right, go on out, make your own fun creations, and show me what you've done.